Good morning. It is April 27th and we are on our 5th week of distance learning. And so I just want to give you some highlights from the week. Before I start, I want to tell you that I've noticed that my videos on YouTube are not getting a lot of views. So those videos, guys, are really important, the math videos, for you to go on and watch those because that's your math lesson. I can't speak to you though. I found out with Maronia this week, I can speak to you one-on-one on your channel. I can call you. So if you have a question and you don't understand something, I have a whiteboard and I can go over it with you with the whiteboard. But please, please be watching the videos. The same with the Khan Academy videos. Those are your lessons, guys. If you don't watch those, you're kind of shooting in the dark to try to figure out the questions when you get online. Okay, so this week for reading, we're getting closer to the end of Turtle in Paradise. You're going to read chapters 14, 15, and 16, answer the questions like always, and then you have the summary activity. I hope you guys are working on that because you don't want to wait till next week and when we do chapter 17 and 18 and then have to go back and write 18 summaries and draw illustrations. Remember, I said you can present it any way you want, but I need a summary for each chapter along with an illustration of something that happened in that chapter. So I hope you've been working on those because those are going to be due at the end of this book. Math, we're going to be working on adding and subtracting fractions in line plots. So I'm going to go over that with you in math today, what a line plot is, and then how you would be using fractions in there and also adding and subtracting fractions within the line plot. Line plot is, again, like one of those bar graphs where you use it to record data that you've collected. Finally, in science, we're starting food chains and food webs this week. This is going to be longer than 2 weeks because there's a lot of information, so it's going to be about 3 weeks. And we get to talk about owls in there because we're talking about the food chain and what animals eat what to get energy. So tune into that. There'll be some nice PowerPoints from the county for you to watch about that. All right, so that's it for the week. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in math class.